I am K. Satyavrata. I am the choreographer of this song Shalala from Gilli movie. Let's our students introduce themselves.
My name is Tanshika from 6th CBSE. My name is Sanjay from 6th CBSE. My name is K. Javista from 6th CBSE. My name is K. Agnisha from 6th CBSE. My name is P. Savni from 6th CBSE. My name is C. Sarvika from 6th CBSE. My name is Tina from 6th CBSE. My name is Sarvika from 6th CBSE. My name is Vandana from 6th CBSE. My name is K. Mudashmi from 6th CBSE. My name is K. Anita from 6th CBSE. My name is C. Anushree from 6th CBSE.
Come on, let's start the dance.
ரெட்டைவால் குருவி போல எங்களை மாதிரி சுட்டித்தனம் பண்ண இந்த பூமியில ஆளே இல்லைன்னு சொல்லி ஆட வருகிறார்கள். இதோ
Thank you for your graceful performance today.